Today's overview video intends to familiarize you with Fulham's new Vizion brand LED retrofit kits for 14-inch round gas station canopy lighting fixtures and garage luminaires. The VRM UNV036RD 7YYA is an integrated retrofit kit that includes a Fulham Thorough LED LED driver, a Fulham Vizion LED module, a heatsink, and 10 kV surge protection. It is specifically designed to upgrade legacy technology in the field, such as a Signify Guard Co light, with LED lighting in order to achieve energy efficiency, low maintenance, and excellent light quality. Fulham's round retrofit kit can actually be used with any similarly shaped luminaire greater than or equal to the minimum dimensions shown within the installation instructions, with a minimum mounting surface of 14 inches in diameter. General specifications are shown here, with highlights including universal input voltage, input power of 39 watts, lumen output of over 6,000 lumens without the lens, 4,000 Kelvin standard color temperature, with other color temperatures available, 70 CRI, with 80 or 90 as options, L70 of greater than 54,000 hours, and approved usage in both dry and damp locations. This retrofit kit is suitable for applications that are currently using HID fixtures between 70 watts and 250 watts. Compared with old and inefficient HID lighting, this retrofit is expected to save approximately 50% power, while also offer superior light quality and requiring less relamping. Also, as one-piece units, they are easy to install to save on labor. They also have quick connects for driver input and output, so no wire cutting is needed to install it. Here you can get a general sense of the dimensions of this kit, which also make it relatively easy for installation. All parts are pre-installed and pre-wired as a one-piece kit. There is no need for additional wiring except to wire the input and ground leads. The kit, of course, comes with step-by-step installation instructions to make field installation a breeze. For more information about our 14-inch round retrofit kit for gas station canopy lighting and garage lighting fixtures, please visit fulham.com today. And don't forget to follow us on LinkedIn to never miss an update.